Yeah, so welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can build your landing pages, your sales page, your complete sales sales funnel, from your landing page to your checkout page, to your confirmation page, or from your landing page to your survey form. Probably you want to just collect um their form, which is their email address, phone number and first name. Then you take them to a confirmation page. So I'm going to be showing you how you can go about that. So when you create a new funnel, as you know, funnel is stages. So on your funnel you can have up to 4 pages, 5 pages, depending on how you want to structure your offer. So when you click on new funnel here, what are the things you need to pay attention to? So when you click on new funnel, and also before I go in to there, let me quickly show you our templates that you can actually leverage to create a whole lot of stuff for yourself, in case probably you don't want to go through the stress of designing from scratch. These are a lot of templates that we have here. Let's quickly check one of these. And let's open another one to check one of these, and let's do with one of these. Let's say one of these as well. These are beautiful designs. you know can you see? These are amazing templates. You can just basically copy and paste in your account. You can see these are amazing templates. You can't go wrong with templates like this for your designs. So you can see these are amazing templates, like amazing, beautiful. All you just have to do is just copy and paste, change the image and change to your own copy. And change to your own copy basically. So how do you get the template? You just have to let us know the template. Either you are in need of the template, we forward it to, we will help you, we will share it with you basically. So that's how we give out the template for now. Now for new funnel, let's assume we want to set up a template like this. Let's assume we want to set up something like this. Okay, this is going to be like, okay, apply for a private consulting. So this could be like a booking stuff, whereby if any customer click here, you're going to take them to the booking page. So this particular sales system is different. Now this one could be like, okay, I think this one is where they purchase straight, so it takes them to a checkout page, and from the checkout page they get to like a confirmation page. So and an home page funnel is just, you could set this up for your business, and you know get them to drop their information or get started for free basically. So that's a lot you can do with the templates we have for you at Growth Analyst. Now let's click on new funnel. Let's create a new funnel. So we want to start our funnel from scratch. Yeah, so let's say the funnel is testing. So testing, then we click on create. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own funnel probably from scratch, and also how to edit templates. So I will share a particular template, to this particular account, then I will design it. So now we've created a funnel. You need to create pages. So once you create pages, let's say you want to create, let's say your sales page, then you click on create funnel step, then you click on add a new step. What I want to do is a lead generation page basically. So let's say this first page is where we have our lead generation offer. Then this second page is going to be like a confirmation page. So if it is for a product, we might be having 3 pages, which is the first one is going to be the main sales page, the checkout page, and the confirmation page. So in case probably that particular product is going to have an upsell, that's like 4 pages and a lot more. So there's no limit to what you can do. So now let's quickly run some check. Let's go to settings before we now go to how to design the whole thing. So let's go to settings. Setting is the name of the funnel, and you can connect your domain here. It's very easy to connect your domain. We have a video regarding that. And also this is a part. A part is just like probably your domain name is domain.com, so the part is this. So this is what we call the part. And let's say you want to do your pixel, your meta pixel. It is very easy when it comes to using Growth Analyst. So how do you do that? We will also provide a video regarding that as well, but all you just have to do is copy your base code and paste it here. Then on your form you can now paste your pixel ID and select what you want to track. It's as easy as that. So we are going to provide a video regarding that. So let's say you want to have payment mode, and you want to set your payment mode to live, or you want to test it. You can do that here. And we have a chat widget. A chat widget is, you jump on some landing page whereby you see a small chat icon to contact anyone, probably while you are trying to make payments, you are facing any issue. So that's those things are called widgets basically. So now let's go back to steps. So on the step we have two pages already, which is the main landing page and the confirmation page. So let's quickly design something on the main landing page. Let's say we want to replicate something like this, which is very like something like this. Let's say so fast we want to replicate something like this, which is very easy. So you just have to come here, then select full width, then add a row. This is your row. So from your row you want to add a text, which is going to be like your headline. So let me copy this, copy, then we paste it here. Yeah, so we can increase this a little bit, you know, so it can make sense like what we have earlier. Coming like what we have earlier. Let's put this size into 50. So let's say 50. Okay, can you see now? Then we can change the font to, let's say we don't want to use just the headline font, we want to have a custom font. I love to use Plus Jakarta, it's my favorite font. So can you see? So it makes make sense. So let's say we want to increase this thing to 55. Then we can reduce the width. We can reduce it to, can you see, use same layout for mobile. Okay, no, coming. Okay, you can leave it like this, which is quite cool. You can work with the border and the padding. Let's say you want to do something with the padding, then you adjust with the border also. And let's say you want to do something with the margin, then let's say this should be 40. Is it going to be making sense for mobile? I know it won't. I already adjusted this a lot. Okay, so let me take this again. Let me put all of this in 0. I don't need them. 0, 0, 0. Okay, can you see now? So you just have to adjust it for mobile, the size of the text, and you can easily adjust it for mobile. So let's say we want to add a video next. So let's click on video. So you want to make sure you had like this particular row, then you had a video, so you can easily add a video. Once you have your video uploaded, then you can have your button, which is quite easy. So you come here and you come down here, then you click on this and you had your button basically. So you can edit your button, and we also have pre-made templates here, and this is why you need to explore this thing yourself. Like, it's so amazing. Now let's look at the pre-made template we have here. So come down here and come to preview section. So preview section, we have a lot of preview stuff. You can see, let's say we want to bring this in. Okay, I think we have to drag it. I'm coming. Okay, can you see now? We have it here. Can you see? So instead of me even building from scratch, I already have something like this here. I think let me just delete this, man. This feature was just released basically. So okay, we have it already. Then we can you see now? We have something amazing in less than a second. So let's say you want to add something from the preview session. I have a lot of things you can add. A lot. You can just check it out, and boom, you can have a lot of things to build for yourself. Let's say call to action. Then we can have something like this as well. So boom, can you see now? We are almost done with our beautiful sales page design. So let's assume you want to do a couple of stuff. You can just come here, see what we have. Let's say you want to add a form to your button, so click on it and set it to open pop-up, then come here to bring in the form you want to add. Though I don't think I have a form here yet, so let's click on add a form, then select. It's saying no, you don't have any form yet. Okay, I don't have any form yet, so it's because there is no form on this particular customer account, so that's why no form is showing up. But if you've created a form, your form is going to appear. So how do you create a form? I'm going to show you how to do that. So Basically, if you're bringing a template also, this is how you're going to edit a template. It's as easy as that. So how do you bring in a form? Let's quickly go back to doing that. To bring in a form, you just have to come to form here. Can you see? So you come here to design a form, any form for yourself that's going to work based on the information you want to collect. So let's say you want to collect customers' full name, email address, and phone number. It's very easy. It's very easy to do that. So this is like a template that you have here. So you can just come here, come to phone number, then make it required and enable country precast, email address. We don't need last name. Then you could delete all of these other thing that you have here. So delete them and set your distance to be probably get started now, and add your link. So add your link to this button. So it's very easy to do that. Just come here and paste in your link. So come here to option. Can you see on submit? Do you want them to just have a message that says thank you for taking time to complete the form, or you just want to take them to open URL? So you paste the URL here, and for your pixel ID to set up your pixel, after pasting the base code at the settings of the funnel, you want to come here and paste your pixel ID. Then you select the event you want to pick. So I do select view content. If it is for a lead generation system, I will select view content, and I'll select lead. Then we are good to go. And all you just have to do is test your event, and you add fire straight up. So now once you design your form, you can name this form naming is very important. Then you put testing just shows the name of the funnel that owns that particular form. So once you design your form finish, how do you add your form to the system? To the funnel basically? So you want to come to the funnel, you want to come here. Okay, sorry, let me go back. I don't know. Proceed. So let me go to funnel. Then from funnel, let me edit. Okay, so I'll just add the form. Then when I have the form, after they fill the form, it brings them to the confirmation page basically. So that's how you can set up a funnel for yourself. So let's quickly add the form. Yeah, it's loading. So let's come to form here. I asked you to set this to open pop-up if you want to add a form. In case you don't want to add a form, you want to take it to the next step, which is the the confirmation page. You can just click next step, or if you want them to go to a separate website URL, you can do a lot of stuff with it. So you want to come to the pop-up setting, then add a form. Now that you now have a form, it's going to show that you have a form. So this is the form we created for this particular thing, and we have our form here. Boom. So let's make sure that we save, and after we save, our form will appear. So basically, this is how you can set up your sales page using the growth analyst CRM to CRM system. Yeah, so you publish your page as well. Make sure you publish your page at every point in time. In case you have any question, you can always reach out to us. You can see when you use the pre-built section templates, you are very much easier to get things done as fast as possible. So that's basically how it works. So thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. If you have any question, do reach out to us or comments, then we are going to help you to solve them instantly. Yeah, do have a nice time. Peace.